Going on guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine two videos into one using Windows 10's video editor. So the first step is to open the video editor, then click on new video project, click on OK, then add from this PC. Go to where you had saved your videos, add another one, and then drag them to the storyboard. Once you're done, you can test it here. This is video 1 and this is video 2. Then click on finish video, click on export. Then you can save it on your desktop for easy access. Then you'll see the video here. This is video 2. This is video 1 and this is video 2. As you can see, it's here on the desktop. You can just right click it and click on open. This is video 1 and this is video 2. So that is how you combine two videos into one. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.